kabesyo kung magaganda na katulad ko. Char!
Mga kabesywak, maganda.
So, in today's vlog pala mga kabeshi, we're sharing a little glimpse of our Saturday together. So, nagpunta pala kami sa car repair shop para i-check yung sasakyan, tapos run a few errands, gano'n. And enjoyed spending time together as husband and wife. So, let's go mga kabeshi walk. Samahan nyo kami. Let's go. Where are we going, baby?
Going to the car shop.
Pupunta kami sa car shop. Papaayos namin ng car ng aking asawang Pogi. Traffic jam. No. You don't like Popeyes? McDonald's. It's traffic again. KFC. Pag may McDo dyan, dapat may Jollibee din dyan. Ano? May what do you call that? Footbridge?
Pedestrian bridge.
In the Philippines, we call it footbridge. Domino's.
I'm gonna wear this shirt again.
Papa John's. Okay, we are here now.
No, we're going down over there.
I thought we are going there in Goodyear.
Try it, but I want this one.
Ah, okay. Mali pala. The other place. That one?
Yeah,
Budget breaks.
yeah. I'll just park right here.
Look at this. What do you call this dress?
I believe it's Holly.
So, dito pala sa aming unang pinuntahan ng mga kabeshiwak, sabi nila dapat doon kami pumunta kung saan namin pinaayos dati yung aming sasakyan. So, akala namin pwede nila kaming i-accommodate dito, pero doon daw kami pupunta kung saan kami pumunta dati. So pupunta kami ngayon doon. So, tara, lipat tayo doon and samahan nyo kami.
Help do it.
Oops. So ayan mga kabeshiwak, habang tinitignan nila yung sasakyan is pupunta muna kami sa DQ kasi nauuhaw daw itong aking poging asawa at bibili kami ng maiinom. At DQ?
Saturday, yeah, they're open at 10 o'clock. And look at the big spoon.
Spoon?
Close Christmas Day, you know, and the next day after.
Wow.
You know what, when you come to Christmas anyway.
That's good. There. Aray ko. Okay, get some water. Oops. Oops. Oh, how do you stop them? How do you stop?
Just
It's cold. I don't like cold. So, dito tayo.
I've never seen a banana split with pineapple on it.
Smile.
Your nephew will be jealous.
Yeah. So ayan mga kabeshiwak, nakabalik na kami dito sa paggawa ng sasakyan kasi tumawag sila para i-explain kung ano yung mga dapat ayusin at kung magkano yung mga babayarin, gano'n. At medyo nagulat ako sa bill namin dito, umabot din ng $1,000, so parang nasa 58,000 pesos na rin yun. Nakaka-atake mga kabeshiwak. Kawawa naman yung baby ko. Ang daming gastusin.
You see, before we got the house,
So habang hinihintay naming matapos nila yung sasakyan is pupunta muna kami dito sa Firehouse Antiques kasi aabot din daw ng 2 oras or hanggang 3 oras bago nila maayos yung sasakyan. So ikot muna tayo dito. At para naman hindi tayo mainip. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Stores. Okay. What is that? They have pumpkin. This one? This thing? Humble. Look at the price. This is $99. The only. Because it's antique, that's why. $55. That's 5, babe. That is Babe, what is this? Is this a bed for the bedroom? Lagayan ng mga ano. Kutsara, tingin. What is this? Is this for bedroom?
Yeah, it's a bed.
You want that?
That's for the top or
Yeah.
top and sides.
There is Momo here. What's the telephone? Old telephone. How much that, baby? There, on the top. $6.95. I like that, babe. Is that a clock?
The grandfather clock.
Grandfather clock. This one. Ang dami nila dito.
Look at this sofa.
Rocking chair, babe. May mga kabeshiwak.
Hãy mọi người nghe khách.
We're done shopping. This is bigat. It's heavy.
Take care of that one.
Uh-oh. There. Oh my goodness. So, balik na kami sa paggawaan ng car. Is it done, babe? So yun mga kabeshiwak, nandito na pala kami sa mall. Dumaan lang kami dito para kumain. Pero bago kumain is mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo. And okay na pala yung aming sasakyan, naayos na siya.
What you like? You like boots, balls, photos, t-shirts, and jerseys. You like a jersey?
I like this one.
You like a jersey, sign it
I like
up,
this.
bro. We raising funds. You like a cap? Get it signed. We raising funds for the Boys and Girls Club. Great choice.
Okay.
Let me sign it for you.
All right.
How you doing today, baby?
Good?
You an Alabama fan?
Yeah.
Well, you gonna get you one?
No, it's okay.
Hey, this one here gonna fit you beautifully.
I remember you playing. Now, who was Coach Stallings?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Gene Stallings.
Good to you. Look at me. No. Yeah, it's good. Ito yung mall sa ano. Is this Huntsville, babe?
Yeah.
Let's go to the Belk.
Straight up. You got Filipino one.
Okay. Let's go here. 30% off. Mayroon silang pag buy one get one dito. Kaya lang hindi ako mahilig sa ganito eh. Dito rin. Buy one get one. So cute. So tumitingin ako dito na ano, yung pambata na pinakamalaki nila nakasya sa akin. Gusto ko sana XL eh. Ito oh. Rosy. Cute nito. Yan. Cute. Cute din nito. XL. Ito yung XL nila. Ito yung mga Ogs nila oh. It's so cute. Tingnan natin. This one. This is so cute. How much this one? $145. This one. Ito $140. Mga Ogs nila. Plus size na yun. Okay naman to. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. So, daddy care. Hibachi. So, kakain muna kami kasi gutom na ang aking asawa. So, this is steamed whitefish.
It could be cod.
There's no name. What is this? This one. Salmon? It's not salmon. This one. Oh. Ito, mayroon silang tahong. I don't know what is this. The fruits. This, I guess this is banana pudding, huh? Enjoy! Enjoy your food! I'm on diet. I will just eat the fruit. That's it.
try this.
How is it?
It's good.
So ayun mga kabeshi, wag dito na po nagtatapos ang ating Saturday journey. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Thanks for watching. Bye!